Yo, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Animal Shelter game on your phone, iOS and Android, no jailbreak needed. So as you can see, guys, I got the full game right here, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. So yeah, let's get into the video now. So the first step is to go to this site called HexMods, and then as you can see, it says Animal Shelter. So just press on it, press down button, and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try this out for yourself. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So as you can see, guys, if we go to the App Store and type in Animal Shelter, you will see it is not on the App Store. So I'm just going to type it in for you guys. So as you can see, let's just do it right here. No. So as you can see, this just these goofy games. This is not the game, by the way. I know it has a similar name, but I don't think that's the game. So anyway, guys, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This actually works here. As you can see, I got the full game. And this is super crazy. So yeah, this is so awesome, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. And yeah, it's so cool, bro. This actually works. So if you're poor and you can't afford a PC, guys, this is how you can play it, which is so awesome. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. As you can see, guys, we got the full game right here. And yeah, this is super cool. And yeah, it actually works, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys, and it's updated and everything. So as you can see, guys, it fully works and it's pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, it's super crazy. Look at this. The whole game runs and it's updated and everything. So see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.